Good morning, friends. Welcome to Ramar Math TV. Today, akong i-share kaninyo na kembolo about sa area of the trapezoid. Okay? So, let me share this one to you. This is the area of the trapezoid. A equals to 1/2 h base 1 plus base 2. Okay. So, kining formula sa trapezoid is actually equal to the product of three factors, three quantities. So if this is our formula for finding the area of the trapezoid, ang tulo ka quantities nga gimultiply dinhi, the three quantities multiplied here are 1/2. The second quantity is the height, h. And this binomial, base 1 plus base 2, this is the third quantity. So you can actually interchange them. So as a mathematician, I can have this 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times h. Or I can even write base 1 plus base 2 times h times 1/2. So you can really see, makita ninyo na you can interchange the factors, the multiplication of these three factors, because of the commutative property, that whatever the order of your, no matter how you arrange the factors, the product is the same. Okay, so let's have an example. Okay. Suppose this is our trapezoid. Maniat ng trapezoid. Okay. Suppose ang sukod ani the measure of this base, no? This one is our base sub 1. Kini sa ubos sa baba, ito ay tinatawag na base sub 2. At ito, this is called the height. Or you can even choose this one, no? The height. And remember, height is always perpendicular to the bottom base. So, they have the same measure. Kini pasusukod ni isa. Magkaparehas sila ng measures. Okay, suppose that our base sub 1, the measure of this top base is 20. And suppose either of this height, the measure of the height measures, let us say 10. And the measure of this bottom base is 30. So what is the area of the trapezoid? So applying the formula, you can have A equals to 1/2 times the height. I-apply lang nako tong first form. I just apply the first form, the formula, which I presented a while ago. And base 1 plus base 2. So remember that 1/2 is being multiplied to h, and h is being multiplied to this quantity. There are three factors that are being multiplied. Okay, since our height is 10, so we can replace the height by 10. Our base sub 1 is 20. And our base sub 2 is 30. So we can replace them by 20 plus 30. So 20 plus 30, that is obviously 50. Okay. So to solve the area, let me introduce the shortcut. You can cancel this one. Since 10 has a factor of 2, you can cancel this one. You can divide 10 by 2. Then this number 2 here can be cancelled by itself, 2 divided by 2. So 10 becomes 5. This quantity 1/2 is now deleted. So, wala na. So, what is left na lang is 5 times 50. Okay, so 5 times 50, that is equal to 250. Okay, square units. So, if you do not have any measures base of 1, base of 2, the height, then whenever you compute for the area, the unit of the measurement for area is square units. But if these measures are given in centimeters, then you can have square centimeter for the trapezoid, for the area of the trapezoid. If meters, so the unit of the measurement for the area is square meters. If this is meters, this is meters. So, ganun lang kadali in computing the area of the trapezoid. Alright. So, let us play along with the formula. So, I'm computing the area of the trapezoid. But how about if I compute the missing base, the missing height? That's easy. So, I'll show you. I think this is enough. So, this is our formula in computing the area of the trapezoid. H base 1 plus base 2. Suppose that we have known the area. So, example, we have known that the area is 250 square units. We have also known that the height is 10. Okay, times 10. But we do not know the base sub 1. But we know the base sub 2, that is 30. So, how do we compute base sub 1? Easy. So, you just have to simplify the other terms. So, 1/2 times 10, that is equal to 5. Then we have base sub 1 plus 30. Since we want to solve the value of b sub 1, we need to cancel this one. So let us divide both sides by 5. So what happens? This is cancelled. 250 divided by 5, that is 50. So this is cancelled already. So what is left on the left hand side is only 50. In the right hand side, we have base sub 1 plus 30. So we can actually remove the parentheses. Okay. So to solve for b sub 1, we thus eliminate this one to find b sub 1. So we can eliminate 30 by applying the subtraction property of equality. We subtract the right hand side by 30, we also subtract the left hand side by 30. So we have, so what is left in the right hand side? We have b sub 1 in the, this is in the right hand side. So in the left hand side, we have 50 minus 30, that is 20. So correct. So ganiha, I have presented to you the diagram, the trapezoid. Indeed, b sub 1 is equal to 20. Okay. How about if b sub 2 is missing? Okay. Okay, this is missing. We have known that b sub 2 is 30, but how about if we assume that this is missing? I don't know. It's 20 plus b sub 2. And the rest of the terms are given. So actually the procedure is the same with how we find the value of b sub 1. So again, we simplify this one. So 250 equals to 1 half times 10, that is 5. Okay, then 20 plus b sub 2. Then we need to find the value of b sub 2. So we divide both sides by 5. 250 divided by 5 is 50. This is cancelled, so this is eliminated. We can remove the parentheses. To solve b sub 2, let us apply the subtraction property of equality. So minus 20 minus 20. So what is left in the right hand side? That is b sub 2. B 50 minus 20, that is 30. So again, we're able to solve the value of b sub 2. How about if the height is missing? Very easy. Again, let us erase this one. Alright. Okay, our area is 250. 1 half. This is missing. But the values of our bases, the measures of our bases are given. So we have 20 plus 30. So let us simplify other terms. So we have 250 equals to 1 half times h. Okay, 20 plus 30, that is 50. So since this is simplified, so we can remove the parentheses. So we have to solve the value of h. And we can actually rearrange these terms. As I have told you earlier, because of the commutative property, we can rearrange the factors and the product is not affected. So we can have 1 half times 50 times h. 1 half times 50, that's equal to 25. So 25 times h. And because we want to solve the value of height, the measure of the height, we need to divide both sides by 25. So this can be eliminated. Divide 50 divided by 25, that is equal to 10. So 10 equals to h, or we can say h equals to 10. So again, we are able to solve the value of our height. So I hope you have enjoyed my discussion today. This is my share of my mathematical knowledge. So please don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And hit the notification bell. Thank you.